Emulating successful people is one key to success. Be careful though if you ask them for advice. Often, people don't really know why they succeed, but they will give you as many explanations as you want anyhow. Some years ago, I read a news about someone who just ate sandwiches every day for about a year and lost over 245 pounds. It might be nice to know how he lost all those pounds in just 1 year, but I'm pretty sure we won't learn by just asking him. The key to success is to study and model successful people. So there are two factors: study and model. Factor number 1, study successful people. One key is not just learning from successful people, but rather doing what they did. This is how you become successful. Naturally, you have to look closely and apply a little brain power to see what they are really doing that is causing their success. You cannot learn just by reading a book or attending a seminar. You need to take the exact steps successful people took. Reading a book or attending a seminar is like watching a movie in a theater and driving back home and continuing with the same routine. Success is not to be pursued. It is attracted by the person you become. One of my restaurant clients one time told me he did not believe in setting of goals. He is a very successful restaurant business owner. He owns many restaurants and sold many franchises. However, watching him and listening to him, I came to realize that he knew what he was doing and what profits he expected to generate every year. This is nothing but goal setting. He called the process something else. Never stop listening to what successful people have to say, but read between the lines. Listen for insight into how they think about things, how they approach the challenges. Suppose the advice of a successful basketball player like Michael Jordan is just to practice more. But he casually mentions, "I saw that going in." After a great shot, isn't it time to start visualizing your shots going in? Factor number 2 to success is model successful people. You won't always know what is causing a person's success. Take for example the legendary Warren Buffett. He is considered the greatest investor of our times. There are many fund managers who follow his investment model. They are called the copycat investors. Hundreds of mutual fund managers have replicated his investment strategies successfully. Every year, Warren Buffett writes letters to the investors of Berkshire Hathaway, his company. Many fund managers and many investors worldwide eagerly await for this letter. This letter is pure gold from the legend. It is more important to do the right things than to understand why they are right. To also understand is great, but at first it may be best to just copy many of the actions, attitudes and approaches of someone who is succeeding or who is very successful. Try to model success even before you understand it. As you learn more, you can drop those parts that aren't contributing to your success and add elements of your own. If you model a successful parent, for example, and life with your children gets better, does it matter if you know right away which changes were the most effective? Of course not. Is it better to understand why what you are doing is working? Certainly, but you may not ever understand why some things work, and this is okay as well. It is better to have success than to explain it. So find successful people and do what they do. not what they say. It is an important key to success. I personally had an opportunity to learn from some of my greatest mentors. I followed them without questioning their actions. I promise you, if you follow these successful people and model them, success will surely follow you. It is no coincidence that the tagline for our company, Success Forever, is your key to success. Success Forever Inc. is hosting a 3-day live event called the 3-10x Empowerment. 3 business owners, all certified trainers of the John Maxwell team, will be training on how they built their business from scratch. Each of them will teach their 10x principles and strategies that they implemented in their business. My friends, Mr. Raj Kapoor and Ms. Marie Cosgrove are joining me in doing the 3-10x Empowerment training. If you think you are stuck in your job or your sales and profits are stagnant, then here is a chance to emulate these successful business owners. They were all successful professional executives before they built their business. Now you have a chance to model their success in your personal and business life. This is the last chance in 2019. Do not think any further. Go 3-10x. Thank you.